So my work is all about resistant starch. Resistant starch is a dietary fiber that resists your digestive enzymes and moves very slowly through the system and is fermented in the colon. Resistant starch occurs naturally in low levels in corn, but researchers at the University of Guelph have developed corn that contains higher levels of resistant starch. This corn can then be ground into a flour and then be baked into healthy bread products like bagels. So why would you want to consume a resistant starch bagel? Well, type 2 diabetes rates are rising with the aging population in Canada. Poor diet and physical inactivity are all risk factors for type 2 diabetes, but simply being over the age of 40 puts you at an increased risk as well. Type 2 diabetes is characterized by uncontrolled blood glucose levels due to a poor insulin response, and we call this poor glycemic control. Studies show that consuming resistant starch is able to improve your insulin sensitivity and then improve your glycemic control. Unfortunately, there is substantial variation among the design and methods used in the literature. It does not show a clear answer as to what is the best dose or form of resistant starch to consume or how long you need to consume it for. So this is where my research fits in. We've considered all of this variation in order to plan a well-designed study to determine if consuming bagels with resistant starch will help to reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes. 25 adults who are currently at risk for this disease will consume bagels that could provide either 30 grams or 0 grams of resistant starch every day for 8-week treatment periods separated by a 4-week break. Body measurements and markers in the blood will be measured throughout the study in order to examine the effects of these bagels on risk factors for type 2 diabetes. This research showcases the collaboration between agriculture, nutritional sciences, and the food industry can improve human health. This research stands to benefit a number of stakeholders, including the food and agricultural industries, healthcare professionals, and of course consumers, such as older adults who stand to benefit directly from consuming these bagels. So if eating a healthy bagel a day can help keep diabetes away, wouldn't you want to find out? Stay tuned for my results.